This is CryptoKernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. In the next couple of days, the merge of Ethereum is set to finally be complete. With this being the case, we're going to take a look at what this means exactly for the future of Ethereum, which is second, after all, only to Bitcoin. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like button, which is the thumbs up icon that you see me scrolling over right now, directly beneath the video playing. It helps to share with others like yourself who are new and who want to start learning today. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's our icon that you see in the lower right-hand corner of your video playing. It ensures that you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes, and also be sure to hit the bell notification. Now, this first article I'm going to share with you is from Barron's.com. It's written by Jack Denton, and it was published today, September 13th. Now, it states, Ether is plunging as crypto sell-off. 2 ways Ethereum's merge could boost prices. The price of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, was plunging on Tuesday amid a broad sell-off that has hit both digital assets and stocks. But investors shouldn't take their eyes off the most important factor on long-term prices, the merge. Heralded as one of the biggest events in crypto history, the long-anticipated merge is a critical fundamental upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain that underpins Ether. Set to complete around September 15th, the merge is designed to make the network far more climate-friendly and attract investors looking to earn yield on their crypto holdings. As we can see down here, it's basically just saying that Bitcoin is down since the dramatic sell-off in June. Yes. Even still, it's outpacing Bitcoin. Right here, investors were flocking out of risk-sensitive assets like cryptos and stocks, yes. With the Dow Jones Industrial Average down, yes. And the S&P down, yes. Now, to blame is Consumer Price Index CPI data, showing that inflationary pressures remain salient and likely to pressure the Federal Reserve to keep tightening financial conditions, of course. Nevertheless, the merge likely just days away. There remain 2 key reasons to believe the upgrade will be supportive of prices, according to Will Denier, an analyst at Graco Research. The first is that Ethereum will cut the carbon footprint. The merge will cut the carbon footprint of Ethereum dramatically, which will make the network far more attractive. At the heart of the upgrade is a switch from the proof of work system that underpins Bitcoin as well as Ethereum in favor of a system known as proof of stake. In proof of work, crypto miners use computers to solve complex puzzles, securing the blockchain and validating transactions while expending vast amounts of energy. In Ethereum's new proof of stake system, validators will instead lock up or stake their Ether while the process is completed, earning yield on the tokens used as collateral. In the process, it is designed to be much less energy intensive. The shift to proof of stake and the resulting cut to energy consumption could attract flows from fiat currencies and or Bitcoin, Denier wrote in a note Tuesday. ESG sensitive investors, particularly institutional investors, may dabble in cryptocurrencies for the first time or shift allocations for the more energy intensive coin. This is not all. The merge is also set to slash the issuance of new Ether tokens by removing proof of work. Miners were rewarded with tokens for their work and changed the network's monetary policy. Following the merge, gross issuance of the token will fall to about 0.5% from 4.6% annually. Now, if we look here, as of today, September 13th, the price per token is $15.89, and this is down over $100 just today alone. You can see here, this morning, where we're at, 1743. I looked up 15 minutes later, we're down to, I don't know, 1600. So I knew that was a sign of things to come, at least for today. Every day is different. You must know this. Now, this article right here I want to share with you is from cnet.com. And it says the countdown to Ethereum Merge, what it is and why it's important. And again, lowering carbon footprint by 99%. It was written by Daniel Boone just yesterday. Let's see what Daniel says. Google Ethereum Merge, and you'll see a cute countdown clock depicting two pandas, one black and one white, slowly getting closer to each other. The countdown hits zero sometime on September the 14th. The two pandas will become one. The metaphor beguiles the importance of the Ethereum Merge to everyone, not just cryptocurrency supporters. Ethereum is the second largest blockchain. Only Bitcoin is larger and emits carbon dioxide roughly equivalent to that of Singapore. If it's successful, the merge will lower Ethereum's massive electricity requirements by over 99%. That is of huge consequence. Skeptics of cryptocurrency typically argue that the coins like Bitcoin and Ether are useless and that they consume enormous amounts of electricity. The first point is subjective, but the second is true. In an era when more people than ever view climate change mitigation as society's highest priority, the carbon emissions of Bitcoin and Ethereum are too conspicuous to ignore. Okay. We have to take all these things into consideration. These are the reasons why this merge is so crucial. Okay. So this is where we have to think. Now you can use our links below to get a little bit of Ether to add to your pile, or to your bag, I should say. By using our link with Coinbase, you will earn up to $40 in crypto. And using our link to crypto.com, you'll earn an additional $25 that you can use for more Ether. And also, lastly, protect what you already have and what you're getting ready to get. The only way to do so is to get your own wallet. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of cold storage wallets. You don't leave it on the exchange, whatever exchange you're using. Put it on your wallet. When you want to sell it, you sell it. In the meantime, hold it. It's the only way to keep it safe and to have possession of it. It's the only way. And less than 20% of you actually have one. So we're probably seeing, 5 to 7 orders a month through the link. I think it should be 50 or more. Well, we'll see. Again, it's your money. Now, if this video has been of value to you, you can contribute to our Cash App, or even better, to our Ethereum link, but both are greatly appreciated. It's just Ethereum is a lot easier to access considering that this is a crypto channel. Now, in the meantime, we've got a lot going on this week in addition to the merge. Make sure you stay tuned. Do not miss out. The next episode will be out this time tomorrow. In the meantime, get in there and make it happen.